How to get a Gemini Advanced free trial. Google's Gemini Advanced is an AI assistant designed to enhance creativity and productivity. New users can access a 1-month free trial to experience its advanced features before subscribing. Step 1. Access the free trial. Visit the Gemini Advanced page. Navigate to the official Gemini Advanced website. Start the free trial. Click on Start Free Trial to initiate the process. Step 2. Sign in or create a Google account. Existing users, sign in with your current Google credentials. New users, create a new Google account by providing the necessary information. Step 3. Choose a subscription plan. Select plan, opt for the Google One AI Premium subscription, which includes Gemini Advanced. Confirm trial details. Ensure the 1-month free trial is applied. Step 4. Enter payment information. Provide payment details. Input a valid credit or debit card. Note, you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 5. Download the Gemini app. For Android users, download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store. For iOS users, download the Gemini app from the App Store. Step 6. Explore Gemini Advanced features. Voice conversations. Engage in free-flowing voice interactions with Gemini. Image generation. Create AI-generated images based on your prompts. Integration. Connect Gemini with Google apps like Search, YouTube, and Maps. Step 7. Manage or cancel subscription. Before trial ends. To avoid charges, cancel the subscription before the trial period concludes. How to cancel. Access your Google One subscription settings. Select Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. By following these steps, you can experience Gemini Advanced capabilities during the 1-month free trial and determine if it aligns with your needs.